Are you a DevOps engineer looking to take your skills to the next level? Then this video is for you. In the world of DevOps, staying motivated is crucial. It's what fuels your creativity, drive, and the pursuit of excellence. So how can you keep that fire burning? First, find your why. Understand why you chose this career path in the first place. Was it the opportunity to solve complex problems, contribute to cutting-edge technologies, or collaborate with brilliant minds? Whatever it may be, reconnecting with your purpose will reignite your motivation. Next, embrace continuous learning. The DevOps landscape is constantly evolving, and to excel as an engineer, you must stay updated with the latest tools, technologies, and best practices. Sign up for online courses, attend seminars, and be hungry for knowledge. As a DevOps engineer, innovation is your superpower. Embrace it, think outside the box, and challenge the status quo. Find creative solutions to streamline processes, automate repetitive tasks, and improve efficiency. Remember, your ideas can revolutionize the way systems are built and operated. Collaboration is key. Seek out opportunities to work with cross-functional teams. Embrace diversity and share your knowledge with others, but also be open to learning from them. Together, you can create something truly remarkable. Lastly, never underestimate the power of support. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your passion for DevOps. Join online communities, attend meetups, and network. Having a support system will inspire, motivate, and keep you on track. In conclusion, mastering DevOps goes beyond technical skills. It's about igniting your motivation, embracing continuous learning, fostering innovation, collaborating, and building a strong support system. Thanks for watching this video on Mastering DevOps. Ignite your motivation and excel as an engineer. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.